Hello everyone, this is Dr. John Makoff, and I want to share a little patient session I had yesterday that I thought was interesting in the way that it comes up every once in a while, but I thought it'd be interesting to show a presentation of how sometimes the emotional stuff also comes into play with when we figure out the right herbal supplements, right nutritional supplements, and what may inhibit finding them sometimes. So I had a patient yesterday who is awesome in that she's all in to get treated and all in and healing whatever needs to heal to get better, which is basically what I do require with my patients, to be in that state, because otherwise they tend to sometimes consciously or subconsciously self-sabotage their healing process. But that's just a separate issue. So as I was working with her, she had all these things that were, to me, screaming liver issues. Some breast pain, that's telling me there's some estrogen not detoxing correctly, recently off copper IUD, which shows needing to help with detoxing that excess unnatural hormones, and the copper itself. So, and then there's some eye floaters. So again, eye is associated with liver, so in Chinese medicine. So there's all these things that are talking about liver. Fungal infections, also liver, and but when we're finding things to work on, I mean, I almost felt, I see things. I almost saw like the liver like pushing away the supplements that would normally help the liver, like golden thread, like circutonic, like Shisandra, like so after we got a certain amount of the supplements, I felt I had to dig in a little bit more, and we went to some liver issues, and turns out, her father not only passed away with some liver issues, but there seemed to be some possible Western medicine incompetence, and that also affected the insurance, which also affected other things. So besides his liver issue, she still had issues around that whole situation, understandably. And so we went into that, and we went into some of the emotional aspects with that. And then it started with certain emotions, but it definitely went into the liver emotions of the anger, the frustration, aggression, the irrationality, the rage. And we had to go through layers of that. But after we finished that and we rechecked the herbs that she needed, circutonic came up, golden thread came up. Shisanda still didn't want to come up, but maybe it wasn't needed. But the body was now accepting, okay, I don't have to hold on to this anger. I don't have to hold on to all these liver things. I can still be a little pissed at the situation. I can still do that, but I don't have to hold on to it. I don't have to put myself in a state to not let go of it and not move forward from it. So that's sometimes, when your body is almost pushing away what's going to help it, because it's holding on to some of the issues that we feel that we either have to hold on to or can't do anything about or whatever. But with some neuroemotional technique and some other emotional procedures, that's not true. And then we can get your body the help it really wants and really needs, and be aware of what it really needs, and get everything going in the right direction. So hope you find that a little interesting. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave below. And hope you're having a blessed weekend.